Mabuhay mahal ta na mga kasamang guro, ano ba ang dapat tandaan in the submission and receipt of your application documents for reclassification? Kinakailangan na mag-submit ka ng reclassification form for teaching positions or RFTP sa inyong mga HRMO sa inyong division through the records unit na bago po matapos ang deadline ng application for reclassification. Meron po tayong mga mandatory requirements na dapat pong ipasa o lamanin ng inyong mga folder kapag kayo ay magpapareclass. Una, kailangan po ang letter of intent addressed to the Schools Division Superintendent containing the following information. Ano po yun? Number 1, the statement of purpose or expression of interest. And position applied for. Kailangan pong ilagay ninyo kung ano po ang position na nais ninyong applyan. Kung ito man ay Teacher 4, Teacher 5, Teacher 6, kung kayo ay currently holding a Teacher 3 position or incumbent of Teacher 3 position. Letter B, the duly accomplished PDF or PDS Then letter C, photocopy of your updated PRC license. Letter D, certificate of competency level issued by authorized body if applicable. Letter E, photocopy of scholastic or academic records. Ito po yung inyong transcript of records sa inyong baccalaureate degree o kaya naman po ay yung inyong master's degree